late night. You guys missed the last one. Got the damn car on the ground. But today, I've been saying it, we're gonna wash it. But today's the day. It's much needed, it's filthy. Should I take the scrap sticker, the banner off, or?
We should take it.
Really? Yeah. You want, I like that.
I basically
Scrap.
clean
It looks good.
Basically how you would drive it.
What?
Stickers off, clean everything good.
Pull this thing out. The pedal is wonky, because it has no bracket.
Oh.
No, it's fine. No, oh, no.
Oh.
It's fine. Let's pull this thing out.
Look at T, dude. Kid, you look nuts in there. Look at the steering wheel again.
Like that. That's a custom. Why does the steering wheel look nuts like that? Custom. It looks nuts in here.
You see it?
Whoa!
Bumper fell off.
Oh, is your steering wheel not tinted?
I forgot the bolt.
Oh, your steering wheel's not tinted? Oh, okay. Oh, that's a shame.
I raffled all the Nardies.
Front end looks nuts.
What?
Front end looks nuts.
It's so out of. Yeah, the toe is off.
Nice steering wheel, pal.
That'd be a good bitch, though.
Nice steering wheel.
Is this not close?
No, we're not. We're just gonna wash it.
It's down in front of the car.
Look at the steering.
Good drift car.
Oh, that's so tough.
You look nuts.
I love it.
Down there. It feels nuts.
James, what's your favorite color? You know, they got the Laguna. Really? You would pick red.
Even the, what is it? Is it Phoenix yellow? What's the yellow one?
Dakar?
No, what's
No, it's Phoenix.
It is Phoenix, right?
Yeah.
That one's good, but even the red just is like.
James loves red cars, though, so I mean.
It's a good car.
No, this red's good
It's
though.
nice to see the M3 bits back on it. Like just having the M mirrors does a lot for it. Like you don't realize how much these mirrors do for this car until they're on it.
Action! Like you're painting.
Painted.
This is how Anthony waters the grass. That's.
Oh! That's not the way. That's not the way. No. That's how Brian does. They're people. They're for the professionals. Nice. Good form. Fucking guy. Look at the distance.
Maybe whack the CRF. That's a factory bike.
I'm painting the bed liner.
He's bad. He's in bad shape. From this angle, right here.
Mine is not having skirts.
All clean. No more decals on her. So I need to make a little list because there's some stuff like finishing touches that I need now, like the window trim there. I think the big components are there and done. Maliki, Makuni.
Alright, watch out.
What up, Makuni?
No filming.
You getting ready for your big moto?
Yeah, we got my factory mechanic, Brian Hall.
Don't forget about Mr. Tom, though. He's the other factory mechanic.
Tom, if you're watching, you know, you know.
My sub for him.
We got to get these ready for the moto coming up. We need big upgrades we're going to be needing soon.
We got tires, chain coming, kickstart.
T-Bolt got us
kickstand
covered, right?
New grips, throttle body, or throttle body.
Faster Minis who?
Two, maybe.
Faster Minis who?
Who?
Shout out Vince at T-Bolt.
Heavy racing.
Action!
So what we gotta do is take all the damn bolts out, because clearly, as you can see, this is not how it's supposed to be. Can they see the lip right there? So what we did was we took out all the bolts besides one. You gotta be careful not to take them out, because you don't want to scratch the lip in the hardware. So we're gonna hit up Malt Licky for lips and barrels. Got a little present for Dagnell. Now, as you know, building an SR. So, these were the rods and the pistons and the valves and the springs that were in it. Oh, it's not looking good.
It's
The
bad.
first one didn't look too good.
No.
It gets better. Oh no. Boy, can you inspect in that? Alright, so Dagnell can assess, but over here, the air, I told Richie it's static, but the airbags don't leak. Richie thinks it's fucking uncoilovers. So
Dude, this thing might be too low for coils.
no, it,
Rich, you think we're gonna have to go out probably? What?
speeding rods. So I got the face off. Face is the only thing like usable on this whole thing, cause barrel, bend, it's fucked. So gonna have to make an order at Makuni.org and get a new lip and barrel. Hey, we are here, we are live. James bought me the new gas pedal bracket, needed that. He overnighted it, which he didn't need to overnight it, but he overnighted it.
Sorry about the cost. It was $58 overnight it.
58. Small price.
Unnecessary.
Small price to pay for having.
Restoring the car.
Yeah, small price to pay.
A lot of people wouldn't buy that The Honda, who's stealing it?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Stop it! Now picked up his block, which he dropped off the other day to get sandblasted, and it looks absolutely immaculate.
Shout out AFI Finishing.
Shout out to Waze Auto Detailing. He's gonna clean the whole block out now. So James let us hold down the transport plate because we gotta go to Brian's shop and steal some parts off of his parts cars. He gave us permission, so it's not really stealing. We have limits of things that we can't take, but we're still gonna take. Got you a fuel in her.
Uh-huh.
First maiden huge voyage. Yeah,
Exactly.
We never drove it really far. Think it'll be fine?
Oh, yeah.
I asked for it. Here she is, thriving. Tool bag loaded, Suburban plate on. Time to hit the road.
Oh, yeah!
Be in the block.
Wild lock I hit on. Roll down the window. This thing's a piece of shit.
Watch the cup holder.
That's my fucking drink.
Put some fresh fuel in her, then to Brian's.
You know you want me, baby. You know they call us here to rescue you. I want to save you, girl.
Good Suburban, good sandwich.
Bad ball tire on the front.
Yeah, the front tire's a little bald.
Blowout. Good.
Oh, that's poor. We're gonna get to Brian's shop. Trust.
Bulletproof this bitch and I'm gone. 2003 Suburban swerving. Last sitting in the range thinking how they spent $30 million
On airplane.
When it's never up in the booth and I get it close and I think what if
We have made it. We're gonna block.
Oh, this door is so
Easy. Fucked up. Nope. Like this. Nice. Yep. Back to work. Back to the 9 to 5. All right, Darren.
I'm not doing shit.
We're taking everything off. The hood, the doors. We're dissecting some of Brian's cars because we need some parts off of them. Hardware. I forgot to grab a freaking little 8mm for these headlight bolts. you make do with what you got.
This car is in real poor condition.
We neglected the fact that all of these Torxes are 1/4 inch. And guess what I didn't bring? A 1/4 inch.
My trick's not working, kid?
No, they're too tight. So
No,
we had to
sick.
use an
What
adjustable.
size is it? Have you figured
This
out
is
what
a
Torx?
shit tool set. See? No good. That tricking ain't good. How you making out? Needle noses.
Inside of it.
I thought I brought too many tools.
Nah, this is kind of fucked.
No tools.
doing?
Access to Brian's shop. Where the... Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Bite.
Oh my god, action!
Benson! Look at all the tools we have access to now. We gained access to Brian's shop. We can't say how we got in. We went through the roof, though, I will say.
Fuck it, I'll break the fucking clip.
So, we got the tools, somewhat, some good tools that we need in order to fucking strip this thing to nothing. Ah! Dude!
I'm gonna step on it.
Easy, don't break it.
Oh, yeah.
Cut it. Dude, take this out of the car.
It won't come out.
Oh,
You fucking idiot.
the
Look,
seatbelt.
cut the seatbelt,
The
pull it
seatbelt
out.
comes out.
No, it don't. When? When did you ever see a seatbelt come out?
No, it'll come out of the car.
He means take it out of the car, then work
It's
on it.
heavy.
I'll take it.
So hot in there.
I'm so weak.
They're kind of hard to cut.
Got this in Brian's shop. This thing looks like
Antique.
1980s load. Hold it tight.
Go up against it. Kid, you hold this.
Yep.
You weren't using it good.
I wouldn't do that.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
We might want the fender. That's a bolt.
Oh shit! Those struts are. Really not gonna use these cars. I don't think.
See, he said he's gonna reshell this season with this car
He didn't say that. No way.
at the fucking event
What do
this
you
week.
take? Dude, I gotta take the seat out. That's like the main thing.
He said this weekend, D.
You got all day, kid. What are you talking about? Big rush.
That ain't the right size. I hate spiders, dude.
Look at that.
What happened?
Dude.
My gosh, that thing's huge.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see no fucking
Look at it. Oh my, that thing might be poisonous.
Can you push that strut down, please?
No, I'm not gonna. I hate spiders. It's like my biggest fear. Bend down
Right
more.
under the fender.
That thing's. Oh my.
So fucking tight.
Go push down the hood. The wind one day.
Gotta be filming it.
As you can see, we got some interior bits. Going to make a more complete bunch of hardware. Seat, because I need a passenger and driver seat, just the rail, to put onto my M3 seats that I got because they don't have rails. Trying to take the hood latch off right now. My allergies, I think it's these flowers in the woods, I don't know. Show them what you're using for a plaid. Show them. A tire plug tool. To make one good tool bag just to like to carry. I used to when I used to drive my shitty Nissans around. Now I drive a Honda, so it doesn't really need a tool bag. There it is.
It's gonna be perfect.
Oh, I almost fell back. Essentially what I needed for the hood latch, because mine's broken, is this lever right here. These pieces. That's for the hood latch. All loaded up. Brian's pick and pull. Shout out. Thank you, Brian. Let's head back to the shop. Guys need E46 parts, let me know. We can work out a deal. Suburban made it all the way here. I'm so gassed. It's a good rig. Wait for the winter. I'm telling you guys. Everyone in? All aboard! Watch this first crank.
Be a fucking fat burnout in Brian's parking lot.
Things first, a little Zimbabwe tuned me up, you know? Back to the shop. No brake. Cut it.
Really when it got it out the mud. I seen bitches turn thugs. I seen clips turn blood. What you bang on?
We're back. Time to dissect the frame rails and put it on this. But Brian got a little box in today. You wanna enhance the performance of your motorcycle, Brian?
Enhance the looks.
Oh, wow, the packaging. Look at this little bag.
Is this the rest? No.
That's cool.
They don't sleep.
Why?
T-Bolt put the rest of my parts right in the box.
Oh my God, Brian. Polish that quick.
USDA Forest Service approved. We got to get rid of that.
Probably straight from China.
Bri.
Maybe leave that plug in.
Carbon fiber heat shield. That's nice.
Brian, I want to say thank you for letting me steal parts from your shop, by the way.
Yeah, why do you keep lying to me?
I wasn't.
You called me. Oh, dude. I said, are you at my shop?
No.
No, I'm not there.
Got that BBR money.
What's in the bag? Oh. Heat
Useless.
protective. Good.
They sell butt plugs on T-Bolt?
What is this thing for? Somebody tell me. Oh, the spring installer.
Like upgrades today, shout out T-Bolt, and I'll have seats in my car. Put this in there, don't lose that.
Oh.
It's like that. Let him do the honors.
True cold start. Wait. We gotta clean it off.
Put your hand on the pipe.
We gotta clean it off.
Clean what off?
The pipe. Drew keeps touching it with his greasy finger. Come on, it's stainless. I'll clean it off. Turn it on. Thing on right now. How dirty you think these mitts are?
Come on. Drew, money's dirty, you know?
yeah.
Money's dirty.
Fingers.
What does BBR stand for, Anthony?
Bitches, and racist.
Action! Let it warm up.
You guys hear that cold start though? You hear that?
Tires be better, Brian.
Tires flat again.
Damn, we can't even test drive it.
No, we're gonna put air in.
It's not that bad.
That sounds sick.
That's good.
Hi, I'm ordering mine.
46 rails, non-M, do not fit E46 M3 seats. So this seat is completely useless. This rail is completely useless. All of the plugs, the motors, different. So if anyone out there has a set of E46 M3 seats, I honestly do not care the color at this point. Let me know. I'll pay for shipping. I'll buy them off you. I need them. That garbage. The pedal bracket in. I need a hood latch cable because this one is snapped completely. The trunk latch in. Trunk key latch in. Cut this whole rear harness out of Brian's car. Thank you, Brian. Gotta put that in because this one is missing. No, just the plugs.
For some reason they got caught. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't.
There's only two. It's the tail light ones, or the trunk light ones.
This one and this one. Here with Lil Binky the next day. Got the new clips, some FCP stuff, some oil, miscellaneous things. But the skirts had like 4 old clips in it. So I wanted the OEM clips. put them all in the skirt. Now I just gotta put the skirt on, but before I do that, I gotta go to the drugstore, allergy medication, wash it down with a tall boy rain. His downpipe is hitting the frame rail.
Oh, that bug.
Oh, he put his mouth on it. The gray hood is kind of a vibe. Got these radiator bolts put in, hood stoppers put in. I need the bolts for here. I thought I got the right ones, but they were not correct. Like that. Dude, that's good. Ant's downpipe's hitting his frame rail, like I said, so he's trying to rotate it. So stiff Nismo mounts, you know? No, it probably has nothing to do with that. Alright, so I never changed the oil for this, and I probably should have before I ran the car and started it. But the oil that was in the car, honestly, didn't look too bad. So, but the time is now. Probably should just do it just for peace of mind. Some liquid moly, you know? That's what they be running in these. Filter, oil, drain that oil. Give her a little tune up. Then I'm probably gonna go home because I feel ill. And of course, BMW has to make it an Allen for the drain bolt. If I could do this, shout out Grant. Oh, that was so bad. I probably couldn't have done a worse job. 5 fingers. Slowly but surely, she's coming together. Couldn't be more stoked. Shout out to Brian for letting me steal some parts off of his cars. Now we could finally rip this thing because I cannot wait. That's gonna end it for this one. So stay tuned and I'll catch you guys in the next one.